Hey, cheers, welcome back to Mark's Family Cooking. I've been cooking up a family feast on my Oklahoma Joe this afternoon. Been cooking salmon, corn ribs, chicken wings, done some rump steak, served it with a beautiful charred watermelon and feta salad. But today I'm going to be focusing on showing you how to make pork souvlaki. To me, pork souvlaki is a holiday dish reminding me of my holidays as a child and as an adult in Cyprus. It is a simple grilled pork tenderloin kebab, just with some herbs and some seasoning, but done rightly, it is beautiful. So follow along, see how to make pork souvlaki to take you back to those summer holidays in Greece and Cyprus. Don't forget to check out the description where you will see the ingredients you need and the method. But to be fair, it's pretty easy. Marinate some pork, stick it on a skewer, whack it on the grill, cook it, let it rest, and that's really it. But check out the description. Don't forget to like the video if you do like it. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Check out my Instagram page and Facebook page, Mark's Family Cooking, for more content. See you again soon. Any questions, any comments, put it in the comment section below. And again, cheers. Pork tenderloin from local butchers in Swindon. Perfect for making souvlaki. A beautiful pork kebab from Cyprus or Greece. We're going to be doing this on the grill, which I'm going to be firing up in a minute. Let's get chopping up. So I'm going to put my pork in a bowl. 1 grated clove of garlic. I'm going to squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. I'm not that worried about the pips going in there because it's not as if I'm going to be cooking it or tipping it out of here because it's going to be threaded onto skewers. Juice of a lemon. Oil. And then my brother-in-law recently went to Crete and he's brought me back some souvlaki mix. So here I have some oregano or oregano, depending on where you're from. And I'm going to be honest, I've got no idea what this is, but it's a mix for souvlaki, so I'm going to use it. Let's add a bit in there. Give it a good mix round. I'm going to leave that to marinate. Don't forget a bit of salt and pepper. Always got a bit of salt and pepper. Leave that to marinate while I get the rest of our barbecue ready. I've just lit my fire lighter. Going to pop that on the grill. Going to pop my charcoal on top. I have got a little bit of paper in there just to get that fire going. Going to leave those till they're nice and glowing and got that nice grey texture on them. I've been patient this time. My coals are glowing, so now I'm going to lay them out in the middle of my grill. So I've got a direct cooking source, but also I've got some indirect heat either side of that. So I've got my coals laid out. This glove, by the way, was given to me by a fireman, so it's a sort of a pretty heat-proof glove. Get my coals out, nice bed there, glowing hot coals. Let's get cooking. Time to thread the pork. Got nice big flat skewers. All I'm going to do, slide these onto here. Ready to get grilling. Just a little bit between. These are really sharp skewers. Keep them so you got anything in the grill. My souvlaki is now on my skewers. I'm going to place these straight on to the indirect heat. I want to get a nice char on my pork tenderloin. I'm just going to leave there to char them up, keep turning them until they're done. I've got a nice big grill area, so once they're done I'm just going to move them to the indirect side just to keep them going. I've got lots going on today, lots of things on the barbecue, but my souvlaki straight on the direct heat to get that pork cooked and nice and charred. Just going to turn my souvlaki. As you can see, they're starting to colour up already. Because pork tenderloin is such a tender piece of beef with not much, tender piece of pork with not much fat on it, really doesn't take long to cook. So the direct heat from the coals is ideal for it, because you don't want to render down the fat because there's no fat on it. So I've turned them over. Going to keep doing that for another, I don't know, 5 to 8, 10 minutes. Really get that pork nice and cooked. Going to move it off to then rest and cool and get nice and juicy. My souvlaki is looking amazing. Got a lovely char on it. Does it need a bit more cooking? Yes it does. So all I'm going to do is just move it to the side of that indirect heat. Move those corn ribs out the way. So I'm just going to move it slightly off the heat. I've got other stuff I need to cook. It's all about managing your cooking space. So they're going to stay there just for another minute or two, just to proper finish cooking off. As you can see, I have got a lot going on my grill. My souvlaki is done, so I'm going to completely take that off any heat, put it over here and just start moving things around. Again, as I said, just managing your cooking area and your cooking sauce. So I'm happy with my souvlaki. I've also got some chicken wings, some plant-based kebabs, I've got some salmon going on, I've got some chicken wings which I have left over, I've got some corn ribs, got some steak, got some cauliflower, and a real barbecue cook-off today. So let's start managing my area, getting everything cooked so it's all ready at the same time. Time to get serving. My souvlaki is done. Don't know why I'm putting that on. What I'm going to do is just slide that off. Comes off beautifully. It's well rested. It's got a lot of moisture still in it. Comes off lovely. Got some chicken wings to serve on the side. Got a nice bit of rump on the go as well, but that's my pork souvlaki done, ready to serve and eat. Pork souvlaki, steak, chicken wings, salmon, veggie selection, all served with a charred watermelon and feta salad, flatbreads and lettuce.